Hey there. So I was sent this wonderful creation kit by Alumilite, and I figured I would record the unboxing. And I got this beautiful mold to make some guitar picks for my boyfriend. So let's check it out and make some funky stuff for him. So the kit kind of reminds me of one of those caboodles back in the day. We used to put all our makeup in. Let's see if I can open this bad boy. So the kit says inside there's a ton of stuff in here. We have 5 bags of charm slices, 4 bags of Mylar flakes, 12 bags of mica powder, 12 vials of glitter, 12 vials of fine glitter, 12 colors of star confetti. Plus they're giving you stir sticks, pipette droppers, which is fantastic for these little creations here. And then also a set of tweezers, which is going to help immensely with some of these flakes I can see in here glittering in the sun. Probably going to stay away from those today because it's a little bit windy out here. But let's see what we got. And the top tier. Look at this. Oh, yes. That's freaking gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Look at those. Those are fun. Got some smiley faces. Flowers. Adorable. These are really pretty and super vibrant. Hopefully you guys can see this on the video. Here's the pipette droppers. Really nice. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here. What else do we got? We got some fun hearts. Oh, one more. Oh, those are cool. Those are popsicles. Looks like an ice cream. Very cute. All right, moving on. What do we got here? Next level. Oh, wow. So many stars. So much glitter. Look at that one right there. Oh my goodness. Well, this is going to keep me busy for a while. What else? Oh my goodness. And the bag is iridescent too. Nice touch, Alumilite. Really pretty. Ugh, so pretty. You can't even hold them all. Of course, the sun just went in. Ah. Liking this orange. And we got some tweezers, really nice tweezers too. Very cool, pointy tip. And some stir sticks with the nice pointy tip too. Again, wicked helpful when making little projects like something like this. Might replace like a Q-tip, a toothpick when you're going around the edges to make sure that there's no bubbles around your corners. Very helpful. All right, moving on. Next level. Oh my gosh. Could we pack any more in here? This looks like it's the mica powder. Yep. Wow. There's a whole lot of colors in there. I don't think I have these colors in any other kit, too. Check out that coral pink in there. Oh, and more orange. Let's open these up. Oh, come back. This is such a nice kit because these mica powders go so far. You just need a little bit when you're mixing it with your resin, or even if you're brushing it onto the mold before you pour the resin. You really just need a little bit. So this mica powder will last literally for years. This is a nice gold. Check that gold out. God, look at all this. This is the fine glitter over here. Oh, and a whole lot more of fine glitter. Oh, look at this purple. Look at it. Just look at this. Oh, that's so pretty. Imagine the combinations too, mixing these guys together. Endless. Oh, it's pretty red. Ah. I like these chunky glitters. Just the way the sun's reflecting is so pretty. This is such a great kit for somebody starting out. Oh, look at that neon green. Wow. These two different yellows. Really pretty. Too. Oh, glitter for days. Gosh, I don't even know where to start. All right, well, here's the kit again. Alumilite Creation Kit, reusable 3-tray storage case, which in and itself is fantastic. But there's just so much in here. I can't wait to get started and see what I can make with all of this. I mean, this is going to keep me busy for a very, very long time. And the glitters in here are just beautiful. I don't have them in any other kit. The mica powders look fantastic. There's colors in here that I don't have anywhere else, like this beautiful copper. Gorgeous. It's such a pretty, like, coral pink. Just really unique colors, really different. Thanks, Alumilite. Stay tuned.